I think we're going to take the drain plug out, right? That's first.
And nothing will come out.
And then the next thing that follows after that is going to be 3 quarter pounders with cheese. We're going to get oil. We're going to get clean blue coolant. And then we're going to get water.
Coolant comes out first, I think.
Will it? Nah. What's denser?
Oil is denser
Oil's gotta be
than
denser,
coolant, right?
Come on.
It's heavier than water.
As you can see, we do not have an education. That's why we're mechanics.
Right.
So we missed out on that one.
Nah. This power steering fluid is on top of the coolant. I think.
So we'll see.
I'm thinking it's gonna be coolant first.
He's
I told you. I
Oh.
told you.
Shout out to not being college educated.
Coolant first. Wow. That's a bummer. This is my first time ever seeing this.
Yeah, well, this is what happens when there's
in the videos.
there's
dude.
a whole.
Oh my god.
There
There's
you go.
the oil.
There's oil.
How much coolant was that?
Stocking can't stop dropping things or sneezing.
One week later.
Last weekend we pulled the motor. This weekend we're heading out there to break down the old motor. I'm gonna see how it goes. Disassembling today. We will see you guys out at the warehouse.
Harness is off.
Harness is off. Spaghetti!
Spaghetti! You know what that means?
What?
It's time for that me espresso.
It's Joe Espresso. So my phone just fell off of the tripod, but in the meantime I've been doing some inventory. I've been just labeling everything in plastic bags. How am I gonna get into this? I need a shorter ratchet or a shorter socket, I think.
Yeah, you do.
I'll just stick that.
Dang, he's so
Dang.
strong.
These are like loose. Chris Martin.
Hey man, he just did what he could. Everyone, I need you to comment hate comments for Cece being a lefty. And for dropping that nut. Jimmy that Johnny out of there.
2 oxygen sensors. Just right there. Because there's no cat. Pull that. See if you can make your fingers in there and pull that.
Espresso break.
Time to zip.
Live, laugh, zip.
Trademarked.
Yeah, don't use that. Oh my god, that's so bright.
It's alright, just go ahead and get the header off.
And impatient. Oh my god, look at my knees. Tube. Ah, much easier. I didn't realize how long these were. Not tube.
There it is. I had faith in you.
Thank you. Wait.
Yeah, right there's fine.
Oh, okay, you can stay there?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
That's gone forever.
So literally, where did it go?
it's next to the servo motor.
Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Not breaking anything.
Woo! So I'm eating my mac and cheese. And right now, what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to take the transmission off. And we were able to get the engine to turn after going like forward and back. So that's where we are now.
Yeah, not bad.
I mean, that's
just make sure not to
almost
knock
a
it out.
perfect fit.
DIYable E36
Where they
fuel
have fish?
injectors.
So we got them separated. Took a bit of wiggling, but overall looks like we were successful. So we're gonna go ahead and get this old crunchy motor put on this tire here, rest it, get it out of the way. We won't be doing anything with it until we're ready to start dressing the new one. So.